katanan today. Thank you Lord, no, because prepare ta karon sa atong mga task, no, para karong adlaw, and then kuyog gyud ni, no, the whole day. Okay, so today, no, ang rekta nato is prepared is shake, no, na orange. Okay, so nice kay ni. Okay, and then of course dili lang gyapon ta mag rice karon, then gi-prepare nato is veggie, no, and of course nice squash, no, beans, and then okra, kayote, and then eggplant, no, and agay. So there's na gyap, so, no, mas mayo magud na ice. Okay, so kayo na sa akong breakfast, no, for a day, because of course healthy breakfast lang gyapon, no, so naka-prepare ko. And very excited, no, because ato sa atong mga remaining, no, for today. Okay, so yung kita taon niya. Okay, and then sa mga task, and of course today, no, February. Okay, exciting, no, okay, for month sa atong mga schedules and other activity events. Okay, so bye bye, no, so happy breakfast, okay, sa tanan. And then kita-kita na for today. Okay, so hopefully okay ang tanan. Bye bye, kada sa